Hello, my factory. This is piece of harvester. It's broken down piece. Also, it's really bent, and here is a cracks and another damage. These cracks is by so to metal stirred, and it's no way to repair it. But I should to repair this piece, and way how I to do it, I set back broken out pieces like so, and then by welding I weld it on the points and set another piece and catch it on welding points, and then I can take a measures and make a sample, and then from this steel plate I will cut out a piece for here, and then I should drive to forest and look on the tractor and mark these boards for boards, and then I come back to my workshop and drill a board in this plate, and then I take my gas oxygen torch and cut out right here, and then weld this piece right here. So something like that. So this is a steel C355. It's a 10mm stick. Here is two around 10mm stick. This is the way how to repair a piece. Thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.